girl, Fly Fit Vegan, lover of fashion, snatched waist, and most things vegan. Welcome to my channel. Before you do anything else, I need you to do me one favor. I need you to like, subscribe, and comment below. For anybody that's returning, welcome back. And to any of my new subbies, thanks for joining me. So today I wanted to bring you a super easy tutorial on how to juice without a juicer. Imagine that. Juicers can be very expensive. I've seen them on the low end for about $150, but I've also seen them as much as $400. Guess who don't have $400 just laying around like that? Also, I'm very new to juicing, so before I commit to buying a juicer, I'm going to use this method and do my 7-day cleanse, which you can get down there using the link below. So I'm sharing this method with you guys so you can do the same. Let's get started. So for this juicing method, all you'll need is your trusty blender. I'm just going to use my NutriBullet for this tutorial because I'm only making a couple servings. You'll need a bowl. You need about a 1/4 cup of water. You'll need a cheesecloth or a nut bag. That didn't sound right. And finally, you need your fruit. The first thing I'm going to do is just add my orange and my carrots to my blender. The next thing I'm going to do is add about a 1/4 cup of water to my carrots and orange. Then you just blend. Here's the part where we actually juice what's in the blender. I'm going to take the contents of my blender and basically pour it into my cheesecloth. So you squeeze it through, and while the pulp from the carrot and the orange are still in the cheesecloth, your juice comes out. Easy, right? If you want, you can actually take about a teaspoon of the pulp out and add it back in your juice if you want to add some additional fibers. So your juice is done. This is basically enough for a serving. I can either store it in a mason jar if I want to drink it later, but I want to drink it now because your girl is thirsty. Refreshing! That's good, wait. No, seriously guys, it's super good and you should totally try this method. I like it because I don't have to clean all those juicing pieces. It's super quick and I can do it on the go. So definitely let me know and tag me if you try this method at home. I'm on all the social media sites under Fly Fit Vegan. You can meet me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest. I'm on them all. Definitely stay in touch and thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye!